Hello friends, 12th of May 2023. Today is a little bit foggy. It feels a little bit cold. I don't know how much exactly, but through the window somebody was making ramen or I don't know, noodles. I woke up from that smell. Maybe the down floor. So yeah, so don't really have a plan today. So I need to think about something, what to do. Yeah, and stay tuned. It's 19 degrees today. Google shows that at 1 p.m. it's gonna rain, like 40%. Yeah, I need to decide what to do today. Nice number. I wonder how hard COVID hit this place. Because in my comment yesterday, I showed you guys, said to you, didn't show you maybe, but there were a lot of shops closed walking down this city, this town, streets. A bunch of them. Or even you go inside the shop and it's almost, dead. Need to check it out. Why is this? But I will make a video. I will show you the closed stores. The main city, Jeju City, was pretty much alive. It looked like a big city. So I wonder how it's gonna be there. Yeah, you see, closed. Some kind of shop store, shopping, like clothes shopping store, closed. This also closed. This closed. There's a number, maybe it says for rent. Could be. You can see the other side of the street closed. Big sale closed. That's also closed. Yeah, you see what I'm talking about. My suggestion, they got hit by COVID pretty hard. This place also, everything's closed. Jeju local beer. It looks like it was a very big place. Also, looks pretty much dead. It's a shame. This place looks it could have a lot of opportunities, but also for the young kids, maybe it's better to go to Seoul or to Busan to study. More opportunities. Yeah, of course it's not summer yet. So that's a big thing to consider. In Lithuania we have Smiltynė. So Smiltynė pretty much is more alive in summer. Like in the winter it's dead. There is people, definitely. It's not an island, but it's sea. It's like near the sea. It's connected with Kaliningrad, but it almost looks like an island. And yeah, in winter there's nothing to do here. So maybe it's the same here, just it looks way more developed. So yesterday I had coffee at this place, Vetro Coffee. Yeah, they have the coffee molecule, like the chemistry molecule. It seems like they know what they're doing. The coffee was very good. Such a nice lady working at a place, at that restaurant I showed you 2 days before. She's smiling at me all the time, you know, very polite. In general, like Koreans are very polite people. I love it. So this, I saw a little YouTube clip. So this town, it's pronounced Seogwipo, something like that. Yeah. And my first impression was that this town is very lay off, like really relaxed, and I was true. That video confirmed it. They're really relaxed. Like that day that I took that banh mi sandwich, they like took a lot of time to make that sandwich. They were like on slow mode. So it seems that they're relaxed. And it's one of the hottest, the warmest place in South Korea. Very warm here. And the mountain, there is like this big mountain here. One side is Jeju City, and the Seogwipo is on the other side. So it's warmer here. The mountain like protects this area from cold weather. So very nice place if you are looking for a warm place to live. Like if you don't want a big bill in winter, people choose to come here. So yeah. So came back to Olive Market. This was the place. I bought blueberries, but it seems there's no blueberries today. I don't know, but it's the entrance. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah. That was the lady I didn't show you, but she looked kind of, I don't know, like a teacher. Yeah, I want to get something before nighttime because, like you saw yesterday, there were a lot of people here. I would love to try that marshmallow ice cream, but you know, I would just like try it and throw it away. I don't want to eat all of it. I want to be a healthy as I can be, because the more healthy you are, the more you can travel. I wish I had some ice cream. Maybe getting an ice cream is better. Oh man. So many things. So many sins. Oh, cool. Vlogger also. Yeah, it's empty here. Hey man, what's up? Yeah, it looks like that sushi rolls. Just they're deep fried. The flamethrower dude doing his tricks with that flame. Man, I want that ice cream. I don't know, should I? How much is it? 6,000. Yeah, €4. He's doing it now. The Iron Man.
Wow! Amazing!
Marshmallow ice cream이랑
So got that marshmallow ice cream. Try it out. Yeah, it doesn't taste like marshmallow. Oh yeah, maybe now it does. Yeah, it's not bad, super sweet, but the marshmallow is like soft, not chewy. Yeah, very good. Yeah, just different kind of marshmallow. At first, it's just like very creamy and very, watery. Usually when I had marshmallow, it's like super chewy and thick. It's maybe not that sweet also. Not bad, yeah. But €4, 6,000 won. So it's starting to rain, going to this Jeongbang. Yes, just a waterfall. I'll show you the exact name. Should be close. Like maybe 15 minutes of walking. So just hope it doesn't start pouring. I see a lot of construction going on here, like a bunch of it. Still feel like sleeping. I could get 2 more extra hours. They have a pizza place here. Banolim Pizza. So came on a hill and saw this place. It's called Papa and Daughter. I think so, Papa and Daughter, yeah. I was wondering, what do they do here? And it's written on the door, it's a coffee shop, no food. Good to know. Yeah, very unique coffee shops here. Like a lot of details, a lot of small details. Look at this. The chairs, pillows, a lot of flowers. Like, I haven't been to a coffee shop like this before. It's like even, you know, for photos. Coffee shop for photos. So I'm going to this waterfall. Jeongbang. How did you say it correctly? Jeongbang. Let's call it Jeongbang Waterfall. I think I said before like Jeongpal. Yeah, when people try to speak Lithuanian, also, man, it's like, it's horrible. Like foreigners speaking Lithuanian, I guess I sound like the same. They have some Thai or Filipino coconut here. Look quite small, but yeah, they have them. 2,000. Don't even need to go down. You can see the waterfall from the stairs. Beautiful. There is snakes here, like. So it looks like this waterfall goes directly to the sea. I think it's very rare. Like, not often you can find a waterfall like this. Freshwater, seawater. Rare. If you're hungry, no problem. Downstairs, sashimi all you want. Fresh. Yeah, amazing and beautiful. One last video.
너무 부드럽다고 먹어? 부드럽다.
It looks like houses that you can stay at. So I just kept walking straight after that waterfall. There should be some kind of trail. The road is very good. Yeah, I'm getting this feeling like a jungle, but a very like civilized jungle, if you get what I'm trying to say. The roads are like very good, the buildings are good, there's light everywhere, and also a lot of nature, like a jungle, but also civilized, very clean, everything's very developed. So I entered this trail. Looks quite cool, doesn't it? I'm gonna go check it out. Yeah, quite short, easy trail. There's some coffee here, a coffee there. I don't know if they have food, but they have something. Yeah, nice. I would love to try fishing here. So one of the coolest things to do here seems this Halasan National Park. It's completely free, but the thing is it's quite far. This is like the mountain that separates Jeju City and this town, Seogwipo. Yeah, so also if I want to go there, I think it's gonna take me like 2 hours. And if you reach the top by 12:40, you need to reach at 12:30 as it read in comments. Just then you can get allowed to go to the top, and also you like need some kind of permit. I'm not sure about that, but I read the reviews that if you want to reach the top you need to apply for something. Maybe not now, but so people wrote that you need to take 3 hours to reach the top and like maybe 4 to get to the bottom. It's slippery, so good shoes are advised. Also, I need to carry a backpack. I'll need some water for sure. Yeah, it's gonna take preparation. I need to like wake up at least at 7. Yeah, even earlier, maybe 6. So yeah, it looks cool. People said that it's like a luxury trail. I'm not sure that I'm gonna do it. I really would love to. Just the driving part, 2 hours. Like, by far. It would be cool to get a scooter here. So yeah, one of my plans, maybe. Okay, so he said this is milk powder, and what's this?
Japan's cooked water cake.
Water cake? Okay, it's some kind of water cake. It cost 4,000. I don't know. I wanted to try it yesterday, so I'm gonna try it today. Good. So we're gonna try this out. Oh man, some kind of jelly. Yeah, you can taste the mango syrup. It's kind of sweet. It's like jelly. Yeah, my battery died, so it didn't finish. Yeah, it's just, sugar at the end is sugar. So the powder and like the mango syrup tasted cool. And also like some kind of jelly. Cool, light, sweet. And if you wanna spend 4,000, go ahead. It's not bad. So still have some free time. It's quite early. Gonna go look for a barber shop. Gonna finally get a haircut. Like, I think the last one was in Philippines, so that was like 2 months ago. So I just googled this place. Men haircut costs 20,000, so almost 14 euro. Yeah, and they're only available on 17th, 5 days from now. Yeah, maybe I'll find another place. There was like some shops, like they looked a little bit, old, but I'm gonna go check them out. Man, it feels too long. Do I look like Kim Jong-un? Maybe I do. Yeah, but still, needed a haircut, so whatever. Yeah, so I think I'm going home. Not much to do. Like, I saw what I wanted to see today. I'm gonna think about that mountain, that big one. Really want to go there. Sounds cool. Yeah, maybe I will. Maybe I will. So, guys, see ya tomorrow. Gonna upload this like usual. If I find something interesting on the way, I'm gonna make one more video. But yeah,